Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon. Where can I take you?
I want to go to 7th Street downtown, please.
Okay, that is good. Are you in hurry?
Yes, I am in hurry. Can you tell me how far is it?
So well, it is pretty far away. It takes about 1 hour to get there.
Okay, no problem. That is good. Is the air condition okay?
Oh, sorry, it is not working.
Okay, no problem. Is it okay I open the window?
Yes, it is okay. You can open the window.
May I smoke?
Oh, no, no smoking please. I think there has been an accident. I will try a different way.
Okay, sounds good. That would be pretty good. Thank you.
Here you go. We arrived 7th Street.
Thank you for ride.
No problem.
How much is the total rent?
The total is $25.
Okay, here you go $30.
Thank you for the tip. Watch out before getting out.
For sure.
Hope to see you again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
If you find our videos useful, please subscribe now. Like our videos and share them with your friends and families.